what we are today is because of our associates.
Long-standing relationship that we develop with customers and also with associates, with investors, and with community.
This company is special because they care about people.
There's not been a single day where I haven't had an opportunity to learn about something new.
So this is one organization which gives a lot of importance to your capabilities.
My input and suggestions are valued to management here.
The company's quite special because of the diversity of people.
I do enjoy the diversity.
It's a big mix of people who understands each other.
Extremely motivated set of people, very passionate about what they do, very proud about what they do, and finally get tremendous amount of satisfaction in what they deliver to our customers.
The enthusiasm of the associates.
And you see the passion they have for what they do.
Everybody's willing to share their knowledge and work with each other.
There's an ambition, I think, that I respect in the company that's been there since day one.
We also get to do project work in some of the remotest geographies or some of the more exotic countries that you've heard of.
Cultures could be different from one country to the other country, but values will never change.
It allows me to be myself, work the way I want, and that helps me to learn and grow.
And I am what I am today because of this organization.
When I brag to my friends about our company, I talk about how we mapped 66% of the world's roads, and we started this at a dining room table in Hyderabad, India.
We made sure that we empowered them, we encouraged them, we mentored them to be what they are today.
What I'm proud about is working on the next generation engines.
We are part of so many different industry ecosystems. We are not just a one industry company.
It's really cool when I can say, hey, you know what? We were involved in that. We developed that coffee machine, or we worked on the lighting system in this airplane.
I mean, it was giving me immense pride because we know the engine of the data running behind the device is provided by us.
The culture and the value systems, the associates and their capabilities makes us proud.
What makes me proud to work here are the people that I work with every day, here in the US, as well as around the world in London, Hyderabad, and Bangalore.
And that keeps me driven and always motivated.
Pride is a big part of being here in this company.
We empower our associates to find creative solutions for our customers.
It's not only the process, we also do a lot of product innovation.
I think the key in it is the customer centricity that this organization has.
We're very frank to our customers from the very beginning.
It's all about relationships.
We want our customers to succeed and our customers to be happy.
You try to figure out, how can I delight this customer?
We actually help to bring their ideas to reality.
When the customer tells us, give me a product, we just don't give them a product. We add 4 or 5 values to it.
The teams all come together when it comes to what are we delivering as value to customers.
It's saving them physically going out to have to drill exploration holes in the ground.
We enable telecoms operators to deliver on their commitments.
By knowing the laws and the export laws and understanding their business, I can protect them from any liability.
And then year on year, it's about continually proving that you're actually going to deliver value, deliver on the quality, deliver on your commitments.
So that's the reason why we keep getting back our same customers again and again.
And we work through our customers to change the world.
So a lot of dentists across the world may not be so happy with what we do in our company because we help one of our customers develop one of the most leading toothbrush.
You can say, hey, we help develop a product that you can actually afford to buy.
Everything that we do has a tangible and genuine impact in someone's life.
Providing a better, safer, and reliable transportations.
See, way back, we used to do that one particular update. Say it used to be 6 months. Now it's happening in less than 24 hours.
If we know that when we're traveling on the underground or whatever, or if we're using the power network, there's no issues around outages. Those sort of benefits, we can absolutely track back to what we do.
Our data analysis allows passengers to fly more safely.
Reduce the emissions, reduce the noise that they make, so it makes everybody around the world happier.
We're helping bring broadband to every household in Australia.
So we are part of that big drive for the connected world.
Where we worked with our customers to provide their customers solutions which will make this world a better place to live.
We are Scient.
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 We are Scient.